I lack trading capital has been the biggest excuse and lie most traders keep on giving for not making money from the forex market. Literally, most traders claim they know how to trade, but they lack money to trade with. Then I keep on asking myself, how do you know how to trade, yet you lack money to trade with? Then how did you test your strategy to see that it works? Because for us to know that our strategy works, we need to test it not on the demo account, but on the live account to see that our strategy works. Then if you know how to trade, you can grow any account. That's why in today's video, I'm going to exactly show you how I traded a small forex account and I was able to make more than 50% back in one single day, guys. I'm going to be showing you the live results and how I caught this trade so that you can apply the same skill set and know that it's not lack of capital, it's lack of the skill set. If you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. Now, traders, before I get started with this video, first of all, if you lack trading capital, this is going to be your biggest opportunity. Fast Bull has a trading contest. Yes, you heard me right. It has a trading contest where you can win up to 10,000 US dollars if you are the best trader. Now, this trading contest starts in 55 days, as you can see right here. The countdown is on. Registration already started. It started on the August 15th and contest starts on the October 15th, and that is when the registration will end. So make sure to register right now. And so far, 7,398 accounts have been created, as you can see right here. Contest accounts, guys. Make sure to go sign up. All you need is to just sign up for a Fast Bull account. Be eligible to compete in this contest. As you can see, as I mentioned, there is over 22,500 US dollars to be won. You can see the first grand prize is $10,000, the second is $5,000, and then the third is 3,000 US dollars. And then 10 winners will be selected, and the last winner will win $100. And remember, traders, Fast Bull is the only trading platform where we can see economic data. Yes. Anytime when you're trading the forex market, make sure to always check Fast Bull for the economic data that is going to happen, because this is what moves the market. Traders, I'm going to be leaving the link of Fast Bull below this video. Make sure to check it out. Now, traders, first things first, I'm going to first show you this proof. You can see this is a small forex account that I opened today. I deposited $500. As you can see, proof is there. I deposited $500 using my card, my bank transfer, as you can see, and then I took trades today. I lost some, but I won some. Remember, whenever we're trading the forex market, we always want to make more money than how much we lose. So I took small losses of 20 pips, but when I made back over 150 pips, as you can see, on two trades. And then I also took this down trade here. I closed off the day with $342 profit, as you can see, and I withdrew it here. You can see. Now, I do this on small accounts, on also huge accounts, as you can see, because I'm applying the same skill set. I can never complain that I lack capital. Even though I have $100, I can grow it. If I have a $10 account, I can still grow it using the same skill set. Now, let me show you how I made the money today. Now, first things first, traders. Whenever you are trading in the forex market and you want to make money, like when you want to make money on a daily basis, case, I recommend you trade gold. Trade gold. Gold moves crazy and it can give you money if you have the right entries. The easiest way you trade in the forex market and be able to make money is trading all-time highs and all-time lows. What do I mean? Every single year we're going to have a price of a commodity or any currency pair hitting an all-time high or all-time low. And most traders are going to anticipate for price to reverse. Now, we had gold. Gold recently has been trading on an all-time high. Now, this is what I mean. This is the 1 hour candle. Now, this was an all-time high for gold when it reached 2,500 US dollars per ounce of gold. This was the all-time high, as you can see. But when the week closed off, price was at this point right here. So when the new week opened, which was this week, price started off by ranging, as you can see. Price started off by dropping to the downside, and then after started ranging in between like this. But remember, our main point of interest was to take a massive sell trade when we have confirmation. So here we didn't have anything. Price was just ranging in between here, and me, I never want to trade in noise. I waited for today, which was Tuesday. Now, traders, guess what? Price started off by now pushing to the upper side, breaking the previous high that we had. As you can see, price pushed as high as this. Now, my number one rule is whenever I'm going to take trades and they're turning points, I always want to see momentum die off. So we had this big one candle break above the all-time high, closing above, and then we had price pushing up. But the way it was pushing up, it showed us that momentum was dying off like this, as you can see. But for me to be able to see that momentum was really dying off, I needed to zoom back into the smaller time frame, which is the 5 minutes time frame. Traders, anytime when you're trading, stick to 5 minutes time frame to see the best picture, and that is where you can have the best entries. Now traders, this is my 5 minutes time frame. This is how it looks like, as you can see. Now before any good trade can happen, traders, you need to understand that people have to be taken out. A lot of people have to be taken out. Many people have to be faked. Yet it's not the right time to enter the market. So the first trap was this one right here, and also me myself, I fell for this trap. I fell for this trap because price had given us a rising wedge divergency, and also the fact that price had gone up for a period of time. We thought that price is just going to break out like the way it did here, break out, come back and retest at this zone right here. That's what we thought that price is going to do, as you can see. I took my first trade, the first losses that you saw on my MT4. I took this trade risking only 23 pips. I put my stop loss above here. But again, I took this trade knowing that they're going to take me out. As can see traders, I took it knowing they're going to take me out. So I took this first trade, just like this, putting my stop loss exactly above right here, which was around 20 pips. Just like this. And guess what happened? Putting my take profit right there. They took me out. Literally, they took me out. In no time, they took me out. Then in my mind, I was like, I'm going to wait. Because the biggest problem we do is we trade what we know in our heads. I knew that, okay, anytime when I see this divergence, see a rising wedge, price, obviously comes down. And don't get me wrong, this is always right. Anytime when you see price giving us a divergence, and then we have a rising wedge, the biggest percentage price is going to really come down. But now, today was a special day. Gold had been going up for a long period of time. Don't expect to just see a forex pattern and then price drops big time. Never. So many people had to be taken out. So in my mind, I was like, I'm only going to trade something now that I understand. Now traders, since I lost my first trade exactly at this point right here where the stop loss hit, I told myself, it's not the right time to enter the markets. People have to be taken out. More people have to be taken out. So I drew this blue line right here, which was again an all-time high, this part right here. Now this acted as my resistance. And to tell that this was my resistance, look at this. We had fake outs. We had fake outs here, we had fake outs here, we had fake outs. And you can literally see, anytime when price faked out, it came back and closed below the blue line. Like this, look at this. Price fakes out, then it comes back and closes back inside. Then after it pumps back up, it comes back and closes back from inside. So what I did is to just wait until price can close back from inside right here. And show me any sign that price is going to, come down. So what we had is this big move. As you can see, this is a very big move, and it's not any normal move. You can see literally here price was giving us rubbish, but it comes to this part right here, price gave me huge candles to the downside. Then in my mind I was like, this is an impulsive move for me. This is how an impulsive move looks like for me. When I see more than 4 candles, big candles, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Then in my mind, I was like, okay, let's wait for a retracement to come in. If a retracement comes in, then we're going to take our trade. Now, for me to know how far the retracement is going to go is I apply my Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low like this. The Fibonacci has these lines, as you can see, and these are all important lines that are already marked out for you. Now, these lines are very important. They quite often tell you how far price is going to go if it's retracing. Now, you can see the overall direction of price now was a downtrend. Remember, we're all anticipating a drop. You can see now a retracement is just a temporary movement to the opposite side, as you can see this right here, before price can now continue to go to the downside. Since I knew now this was a retracement, guys, I knew price was going to drop because impulsive retracement. And this is telling me that now momentum has died off. The same thing we had here, you can see. We had price give us this part right here, and then they break it here, and then this one is broken here. But now this price, this was the highest point, price comes down here, it stops at this point right here, telling us now here we don't have any more buyers in the market. By this side we had buyers still coming to play, but here buyers have dropped off. The retracement was to tell us that we don't have any more buyers in the market, even though we knew price was going to drop. But this was telling us exactly we don't have any more buyers in the market, as you can see, because the confirmation candle we had this pin back candle, this right here. Anytime when you see this is enough confirmation that price is going to drop. Literally, when you look exactly this side here, this other side we didn't have anything. I wouldn't take my trade just here. Why would I take my trade here? Why? From seeing this pin back? No. From seeing this pin back? No. From seeing this pin back? No. From here? No. But here, at least, we had an impulsive move and then we had a retracement. Remember, this was clocking 6 p.m. when the London session closes. So immediately after the London session closed, traders, I took my trade. Literally, this was one of the best trades ever to recover my account because I had taken a loss of $73. I took my trade exactly like this, putting my stop loss above this week right there, and then targeting this down zone right here, which is the fair value gap right there. Now price dropped big time, taking out this fair value gap, as you can see, and immediately after price taking out the fair value gap, what happens? Price starts pulling back. You can see, I always tell you fair value gaps are always my point of targets. Anytime when I see fair value gap price, that is where I'm going to put my take profit. You can see, so price, when this move was starting up here, we had this spin back, and look what happened. What happens when this move, when the move is done, and look what we have another pin bar down here. Tell us what price is probably may reverse. So I took another small trade just to see the reaction of this, and then again that's the $100 that you saw on my account, and then I was done for the day, guys. Literally, I had $500 on my account and I made an extra $342 to show you that it's never luck. It's never lack of capital. It's just a skill set. You need to understand, but most of you traders are always liquidity for these guys. They always take you out and then you get broke. You be broke and you don't have money to put back in the markets because you are very careless. Always be mindful. Even though I took this trade right here and they took me out, I had a stop loss. So I made money on this small account. Even on a huge account, I made money, guys. So it's never luck. It's never lack of capital. It's just lack of skill set. Learn how to trade, guys. Price action. This has been just price action. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and I'll be seeing you in my next video, guys. Peace.